George. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful rainbow colored hexagon shape magnet. Wow, it looks good actually, very beautiful. And I'm going to show you how to make two finger ring here. Well, that's a surprise. Watch to the end of the video to find out how to make it. Okay, here is a colorful rainbow trail of magnets. And here is a messy color. Oopsies. So we're going to make a hexagon shape. I'm going to start off with a rainbow color. Put here. So first, we put it here. Then we turn it. Here we have a hexagon, but you see something is missing. So we're going to put a silver, a beautiful one, in the middle. But it still looks a little off. So what are we going to do? So here is the colorful kind finished. So this is the final product of this rainbow color hexagon. Here is a not so good messy kind of rainbow kind. I think this one looks much better. Wow. So here is our rest of our magnets. So I'm going to show you how to make something else. And it's going to be very good. So I'm going to put this aside because it's beautiful, and I'm going to scrap the not so beautiful one. So here we take it apart. And then I'm going to stick them together. There. Now we're going to use one of our fingers. We're going to make a circle around this big. And then here, keep on turning so it looks like this. Let me get a little bit more. Here. Good. So, we still have a little bit more here, so I'm going to stick it on. Here is the final product. This one is so smooth. I love it. Put your answer in the comments below if you like it or not. And also put a shape in the comments below and I can help you make it. That sounds nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss out any notifications. I'll see you next time.